so excited today. Guess why? You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I think it's pretty obvious. There is finally some snow. In Belgium, it doesn't snow a lot. And when it does, the snow lasts like, I don't know, 1 or 2 weeks maximum, so I'm pretty excited for that. Anyway, today we are going to talk about photography. Again. It's always a bit tricky to get down from here. So when it comes to photography, I think there are mainly 3 steps, and everyone applies them without really knowing. Knowing those 3 steps can make you a better photographer. So the first step is to spot what to shoot. You know, it's to find like the object, the landscape, the person you want to photograph. I think that sometimes a lot of people wait for the great and beautiful things to come to them. Like they are walking and they wait that something pretty comes to them to photograph it. Like, oh, that's great, I'll take a picture. Sometimes a better way to spot what to shoot is to look for the pretty things. Instead of waiting to find something pretty, you have to think like, where can I find something pretty? And then you look around and you look where people wouldn't look. Like instead of looking toward you, you can like watch around and look up to the sky, look down to the ground. And so yes, really find something you want to shoot and don't wait for something pretty to come. So that was the first step. So I really think that the second step is the most important one. Once you have spotted the thing you want to shoot, you have to think, how am I going to capture it? Will I take it from the bottom, from the top, in a close-up, in a wide shot? So this is really the moment where you choose your lens and you really want to think, how am I going to capture the thing I want to capture? That's really the step where you compose your shot. And why I think it's the most important one? It's because in this step you really put your eyes on the world. What I mean by that is that this is going to define the way you look at things, because someone else would probably not take the same shot as you. So when you think about how you're going to shoot it, it really defines the way you look at things. At least I think. So yes, that was the second step. I felt. Again. I made it to the bottom. Whew. That's going to be sketchy. So I think that the third step in photography is the post-processing. I already hear people saying that you shouldn't edit your pictures, that once you've taken them, you cannot modify them. And I think that not processing your image is a choice, and that choice is a part of the third step. You have to choose, will I edit my pictures or not? So you can choose to edit a lot your pictures or not to edit them at all. So some people will go for a really contrasty and saturated style, some other for a really desaturated style, and I think that everyone can have his own style. So really find what is better for you, whether you should edit or not your pictures, and if you do edit them, how should you do that? So yes, the third step, post-processing. Gosh, I love snow so much. Everything is so much beautiful when there is some snow. So there you have it, those are the 3 steps in photography. So I think that knowing those 3 steps can really make you a better photographer. So next time you're going to shoot some pictures, think about it. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, to comment, to subscribe and to share the video. I would really appreciate it. But mostly, tell me if you agree with me or not in the comments. And if you don't agree with me and my steps, just tell me why. I would really love to see your feedback. Anyway, see you guys.